Friends, this is Bhupati Raj, Mantra IAS Academy, Hyderabad. Welcome to our GK improvement program. You know the importance of general awareness, right? So even from basic examination to upper level exam, anything, general awareness plays a key role. That's the reason I'm uploading number of videos. Just follow my channel, and of course those who are preparing for different examinations, even share to them a very helpful content. Of course, we can see the very beautiful content I've taken here. Wonderful concept I'll give you. The bit of first question here. Yeah, before starting in this case, the second question is of course third. Third has very good in fact. So number of questions are here. We have around 40 bits are there. Now first question. The chemical name of urea is option A, chloroethane, B, carbamide. Yes, option is beta here for this question is what is that? Carbamide, remember. The answer for this question is carbamide. Yes, option is B, Baba. Then come to the point. What is the special constitution position of Jammu and Kashmir today? It's repealed. No question of Article 360 there, 370 repealed. Therefore, what it's like other. It was, of course, that it has previously its own constitution previously, but now it's nothing. Nothing is that. So option is none for this. But a question number 25 is a very important question. I want to give you some information here. The 25th Indian state to achieve statehood is Baba. Goa was not a part of Indian territory in the beginning, right? This occurred, of course, in the month of December 1961. Goa, now it has become a part of India. There is a big operation, of course, 30 days place it was 30, some hours operation it was. So anyhow, that's days 1961 year. If I'm not wrong, that's on December 19th. December 19th. So Goa joined Indian Union on this day, beta. A wonderful operation was there. Later point is, go through that whole point, you can get it. Next one is, its statehood is no doubt not of like this. It's in 1987, remember. 1987. So the answer for this question, beta, here, you remember Goa. 25th state. Now you understood, na? Answer is Goa, beta. Then please go to the next question here. Excise duties or the taxes on option A, sale of commodities, B, export of commodities, C, production of commodities. Yes, beta. Option is C, my friends, here. So, production of commodities. Even if you are just for the point of 25th, it has become a separate state in this country from 1987 onwards. Even for the date also, of course, something may, you check it that I told you. Now come to the point here. Excise duties are taxes on production of commodities. So manufacturing or production of anything, commodities, you can say, the levy, we will levy that excise duty upon it. Go to question number 5. When was the IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, instituted? Option A, 1981, B, 1972, C, 1964. But the answer for this question is 1964. Now in this case, please be cautious while writing the answer. It's 10 rupee notes. Specifically mentioned, no tension, no worry about, because I'll tell the point why he mentioned in that style. 10 rupee notes bear the signature of option A, President of India, B, Finance Minister, C, Secretary, Minister of Finance, and D, Governor of RBI. Governor RBI is right answer, beta. Not only 10 rupee notes, other than 1 rupee notes, rupee notes, we say that every note, of course, bear the signature of RBI Governor. So rupee 1 is this answer, Secretary of Ministry of Finance. So that's what here. So for this question, 10 rupee note you take it, 20 rupees you take it, 50, 100, 200 or 500. You take anything now. RBI Governor's signature is there. That's mandatory. Now come to the point of here. The first Indian bank was, according to the options you have to tell my youngsters. Option A, Punjab National Bank, B, Presidency Bank of Bombay, C, SBI, D, none. But the answer is, of course, a Presidency Bank of Bombay. We had 3 presidencies, Bombay, Madras, and Bengal. In that one, Bank of Bombay, Presidency Bank of Bombay, and in this one was the first one. That's established in 1840. The national name of Spain. I think the Spain. That is what that game actually. National game is also different answers are there. We'll say bullfight. Now come to the point here. Option is, yeah, should we say Reino de España. Reino de España is the answer for this one, beta. National name of Spain. Remember, Now, very important question in geography part. The length of the day at the equator is how much? But the day is divided into two parts. That is 12 hours and 12 hours. So 12 hours day, 12 hours night. So option is what? The length of the day at the equator is 12 hours. Option is C, Baba. Now, 10th question. Savanna grasslands with the tall trees are mainly found in South America, North America and Africa. Yes, option is Africa, right answer beta. Then, which is known as Land of Thunderbolt, or you can say Land of Thunderbolt refers to which country? Taiwan, Tibet, Bhutan, Japan. Beta, that is what you can say. Our friend nation, that's what you can say that. This is Bhutan. Mount Everest is in which country? Is in this country. Option A, India, China, Bhutan, Nepal. No doubt the option is Nepal, beta. Remember. And you can say, if I'm not wrong, one point is there. In Nepal, Everest is known as Sagar Mata. Right. And I have one more question also there upon Nepal. Right. Because it's, I'll come to that one. Before that, we can have Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, parliament name. The national assembly, what do you call this? The national panchayat is the parliament name of Nepal, beta. So like that, one more question is there that I can ask you that the national cow, just wait and see, cow, the animal it is, just we have that answer also there. India's national emblem is lotus flower, lion capital, I have to write full, and chakra D, cow. Answer is lion capital. Lion capital of Ashoka we have to mention. Logarithms were discovered by option A, Galileo, B, Rome, C, John Napier. I want to know the personality. That's a wonderful personality. John Napier. It's introduced logarithms in 1614 beta, remember. 1614. The United Kingdom, comprising England, Scotland and Wales. England, Scotland and Wales was formed in which year? Option A, 1688, B, 1707, C, 1690, D, none beta. That's an act of union. England and Scotland Act of Union, then that's the reason answer is 1707 bit. Option B, right answer. Which political party was formed in 1988? So this Indian political party was formed in 1988 is option A, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, Rashtriya Janata Dal and Lok Dal. Beta, answer for this question, you know, it's in 1988, Janata Dal. Remember option C, BJP, of course, in the beginning of 80s. Now come to the point. Capital of Tripura, Agartala. Now, Chief Minister of Bihar, yes. Now he is also again we have Nitish Kumar. First Election Commissioner of India, yes. Option is A, KVK Sundaram, B, Sukumar Sen. Yes, this is the right answer. Sukumar Sen is the first EC, Election Commissioner of this wonderful country. So the date of commencement of the Constitution, beta, that means what? On which day? Onwards, of course. Otherwise, what? We have adopted, that's the second case. Question is, commencement is nothing but came into force on which day? So from that, you know, 26th of January 1950 is the right answer. That's Republic Day, my youngsters. Then 21 to 40 here. That means what? We have totally 40 questions. The Indian state with the highest population is option A, Rajasthan, B, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, C, Maharashtra, D, AP. You know well of this one. UP is the state with the highest population, Uttar Pradesh. The Indian Union Territory with the highest literacy rate, I am asking about UT. Yes, highest literacy rate is which one? Option A, Puducherry, Delhi, Lakshadweep and, but this is as on date, we have to consider 2011 census only, remember, right? Next, this is in the month of April, we are going to have, of course, that census will begin and 27 onwards, story will be different. Then answer, maybe, that I won't tell you now. So according to this one, 2011 census, option is C, Lakshadweep. World Health Day, WHO, is observed on that day only WHO was formed, beta. So it was a formation day. The answer is 7th April, correct answer is A. Yeah, the study of earthquakes, option A, seismology, selenology, stomatology. Option is seismology, right answer please. Right, seismology, option A, right answer here. Now, which is the core metal of chlorophyll? No doubt, chlorophyll is magnesium, Baba. Option is A. Now, that is the question number 26. The study of food is called as, yes, bromatology. In the 4 options we have. Option B I have to consider. Who invented dynamo? You know well? Yes, Michael Faraday. Option A, beta. Then go to question number 28th, my dear. X-rays were discovered by, right? Yeah, even don't worry for that. Different answers are, of course, by biology, bromatology. So I told you this one. But this question is important, beta. Seismology is right answer for study of earthquakes. It's very important question, remember. I want to repeat this one. The study of earthquakes, seismology. Now you can say that. Go to question number. Who invented dynamo is Michael Faraday. Then 28th question, beta. Very wonderful question here. X-rays were discovered by William Röntgen. He belongs to which country? Remember, I was focusing upon the country. France, Great Britain, Germany. Option is Germany. Right answer, beta. Then go to question number 29. The trade name of trichloroethylene is. That's a very wonderful question. It is. Lestrosol is the answer for this one. It's a chemical point. You just go through this one. Yeah, you will get an idea upon this one. Then go to question number 30. Which animal is the strongest animal in the world? Which animal is the strongest animal in the world, beta? Option A, blue whale. Yes, that is only African elephant and rhinoceros. So option you say blue whale is the largest and strongest animal. That's what actually you have to consider. What's the largest gland in the human body? Option A, yes, liver. That's the right answer. For 31st is option A. The deficiency of which vitamin causes night blindness? No need of telling, everybody know this answer. C, D, A and B. Option beta, vitamin A. This is what you call A. The parliamentary system was written by, it's a book written by a wonderful author, and I want to know the author's name. Yes, option A, Advani, B, Arun Shourie, C, APJ Abdul Kalam, D, none. Better the answer for this question is Arun Shourie. 34th, If I Am Assassinated was written by whom? The same, of course, it's also a book. Who wrote this book? Option A, Benazir Bhutto. You might be knowing, of course, ex-Pakistan Prime Minister. And Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, the father, the same. Nawaz Sharif, he was also ex-Prime Minister of Pakistan. So on is Benazir Bhutto. Now, everyone's invited is the caption of which company? Tagline of which company? Sony, Samsung, Raymond. You think Raymond is what? The complete man. So option is Samsung, beta. Who is known as Grand Old Man of India? Yes, Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He is known as Frontier Gandhi, my dear. Dada Bhai Nauroji. Yes, option is Dada Bhai Nauroji, right answer. What's the national animal of Nepal? I told you in the beginning. That's cow. COW. Which is the smallest Asian country in terms of population? Option A, Sri Lanka, B, Maldives, and C, Nepal, D, none. Of course, the answer for this question is B, Maldives, better. Now come to the point of next one. Very simplest question. Oases are found in option A, islands, B, deserts, glaciers. No doubt to answer for this question, better here, deserts. The last question, the conflict is going on. Of course, it is one of the key area, Israel, right? Now attack on Iran, I think you know that the issue is going on. Yeah, Iran, this is what against Israel is going on, and of course Israel and America is attacking on that Iran. Capital of Israel is Jerusalem. That option is A. So very wonderful questions I've covered better. Please follow my channel, by that you can definitely you will get a number of videos like this, and all subjects I'm covering that, right? Even for CSAT, of course, there at the same time, that mathematics will be helping other exams also. You write RRB exam, you write SSC CGL, anything better. The topic is very, of course, all topics are very important, and we have one more video also there, that is today night or tomorrow you're going to get it. That is polity part, because I just have started polity questions, important polity questions for UPSC, right? So that also I will upload. The next video, I already have covered a number of questions. The next will be there. Have a great time. Subscribe to this channel and tell to your friends. Bye-bye, everybody.